Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, first off, you're going to need to scramble it. And then you want to solve the first layer. So, you want to have like green there, blue there, orange there, red there. So what we're going to need to do is start off on one piece. So we'll have this here is the first piece, and we already have this in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little method on how to get the places easy. So the thing that you're going to want to do is, let's get a light down here, so this has to be above where it's supposed to go, right there. So once you have that piece above where it's supposed to go, and that's better, then you're gonna do this method. So the white is on the bottom, right there. So you're gonna wanna go up, left, down, right, and keep doing that until it's in the spot. Now you want to go to the next part. It's supposed to go there, so I put it on top of where it's supposed to go and do that method. Up, left, down, right. 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 And see, now I have the first layer solved. Next, I'm going to want to get all of these in the right spot. So what it means by in the right spot is it has the yellow, or whatever color you want is opposite of the color of the first layer, which will probably usually be yellow. You're going to want to have a yellow, and then there's the corners, which is white, green, and orange. So you're going to want yellow, green, and orange. And then for this, like yellow, blue, and red, white, blue, and red. And you're going to want all of them or just one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 all have to be in the right spot, or just one. So what you're going to want to do to get all 4, if you only have one in, is you do this thing, whatever it's called. You go left, up, right, down. And you do the opposite. Left, down, right, down. And they should all be in the right spot. But if they're not, no worries. You can get them in the right spot very easy by just keep doing that method. So you're going to want to go left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Now you want to pay attention to this a lot. Now only one is 2. Only 2, so I want to flip these. So I'm going to keep doing this. And then once you get to the certain point where it's good, now's the point where it's all good. So they're all in the right spot. 2, 1 is solved. This one's in the right spot. This one's in the right spot. And this one's in the right spot. And this one's solved again. So you're gonna want to do the four method I talked about earlier. So until it's on the bottom. And then you're gonna want to turn. You don't turn the whole cube, just the bottom layer, or else it messes up the whole solve. And keep doing that until you're all done. And then you're all solved.